In this episode, you will see our new rooster escaped, fixing the wheelbarrow, and securing the gate. Let's go! Do you see him?
No.
Check maybe in this house there he went in. How could he leave?
He's not in there.
Where did your guy go? Where's your guy? Maybe
I don't know where's their boyfriend.
maybe he left from this one because that's super low.
Yeah.
Or he hears the other cock and because that's the neighbor's one, so maybe he went over there. Good morning and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, we went to our neighbors because we lost our cock. So I wanted to take the goats out to put them in their car, and then I realized that there's only the chickens, and I started looking around and there was not cock there. You know, the first moment we don't have the cock for so long, so I was like, where is he? So I got so confused. We looked all around our field before we go to the neighbors because we didn't want to go and, you know, he's around our field and stress him out as well. But turns out that he's there. But okay, I'm happy that at least whenever he escapes, he goes there and not running around anywhere else. But we're gonna get him in the evening because now it's too hard to get him, I think, right? Yeah. So I got some salad, onions, dill, and spinach. I'm a real green girl. So let's get in, put them all in the fridge so they don't die. And David got also a welder from the neighbors. Because you saw in the previous video, our wheelbarrow died, I won't say, broke. So he's gonna weld it because there's no point of buying a new one really. It works perfectly fine, just broke. So I'm gonna put those in, David's gonna weld.
Gonna weld on paint. A bit harder. For a test drive.
No, Papa. No, please.
Oh, you pulled my PP. Five more, the more you pulled me.
No, okay, stop.
Did you get you home?
Please.
Bobby, it's literally the most safest drive ever. I'm gonna put you in a hole, fix the pop hole.
How is that smart?
Why? It works perfect. You can bring it back. Now that I fixed the wheelbarrow, I can take these bricks away, and then after we have to take away all the clay and all that away.
Yeah, which became orange.
Yeah.
Let me show you. Yeah, nice.
So the wheelbarrow broke again. One of the legs broke, so I re-welded that one, cleaned it up and re-welded, and now I'm gonna put the front as well is breaking apart. It's cracking, so I'm gonna put a metal in the front and gonna kind of, how's it called? We're gonna reinforce it.
Reinforce.
Yeah. Top. This is not iron, this is steel, so this is like extra stronger. hope I didn't burn the tire.
It smokes from the other side, the tire. It smokes from the other side.
I hope I didn't burn the tire. So it's all fixed. The bottom part is reinforced and the side is all welded. So hopefully it's not gonna break for a while because
we have a lot more work to go.
yeah, the whole living room, kitchen, all full of dirt.
The same exact process all again. So hope it
And that
makes
needs
it.
to be done soon before we make everything nice and beautiful, because we don't want to make everything dusty again, because this is very dusty job.
Yeah.
I like it more with music. I get more in the rhythm. But yeah, I've cleaned up the room. A tiny bit is left.
Like,
Because my hand is a bit dead. The window is all cut out. So this wall still needs to be cleaned up because I think it's a bit too fat if I look at it. Actually,
yeah,
it does
it's a
not.
bit fun.
Here maybe a little bit.
It's yeah, a bit out.
It looks like it's a bit out because here's really low. So on here I think as well, but that's super simple, like 10 minutes and it's done.
Yeah.
Then we need to put all bricks here. These ones here are all moving as well, so these need to come all out and
Don't take it out, yeah.
re-cement it. And then we need cement bricks in
The
here, make it all flat,
Yeah, again.
perfectly leveled, and close up both of these holes. And when we also do that, we also need to close up the holes around the house,
Yeah.
so mouse
But
don't get in.
the frame is done, pretty much. Window can go. Ugh, I'm having hiccups.
Window can go in because there's is rain coming and we
yeah,
have
and
north
we need
wind,
to put it in.
which means the wind is the rain's gonna flow this way. It's gonna be all wet.
So
when we did the
need
other
to do
window, the rain was flowing the other way, so even when it was open, it was no problem.
Yeah.
So yeah,
But we need to do that tomorrow. We need to put the window in. Well,
all the
cement
bricks
it
need to be
and-
done and it needs to be perfect size for the window.
yeah.
Test fit the window and see if it fits.
But what's our problem now?
Our problem is we need to go secure the gate for the chicken house because the cock has arrived.
The cock has
Rooster.
arrived.
The rooster.
The
is
rooster.
more proper word.
The
Cock sounds
rooster has
really weird.
arrived.
Yeah. So let's go see the big cock.
You're surrounded by the gate. The fence. Luckily, we still have a leftover fence from when we built the goat car, and this fence as well. So what David is gonna do, probably not me, is he's gonna put it like this.
Very good.
So you cannot fly out, because I think he flew out of here. Because up here he cannot really see where to go. You know, here he knows he can jump and jump off, I would assume.
He's
And
looking
here he
at
is.
you like they're onto me.
You're not gonna come back out. This is your first and last time. Like, oh shit. They take things serious. You're so beautiful, why do you wanna leave us? Why do you wanna leave your ladies alone? What I actually wanted to say is that I want to take the goats out while David is doing that. Of course I'm gonna film him and multitask, and the goats can run around here because they're getting kind of crazy. So let me take them out. Oh, you have a feather of a chicken. You're crazy. Look how good you can pull it open.
Kiko. careful everything is cut through. Doesn't go through.
What are you pulling? What is going on with them? What was in the water? I think that's awesome.